The ambiguous column name error message means the column name that is being referenced in the error message exists in more than one table in your query. The error message only occurs in queries that join two or more tables. When tables are joined, SQL merges them into a single combined result set. If both tables contain a column name that are the same in the two tables, then you are going to hit this error message because SQL wouldn't know which of the columns you are referring to. Is it the column coming from the table on the left or the column table on the right? Like in this case, the situation is happening with customer ID. And if we quickly run a query against the two tables that we are joining here, we're actually joining a table called customers to another table called orders on the basis of customer ID. If we quickly run a query on the two tables, we would see that orders table has got a customer ID, customers table has got a customer ID. So the query is confused. So which customer ID are you referring to? Is it the one coming from the orders or the customers table? So to resolve this issue, the best thing would be to apply your aliases so that SQL is not confused and knows from which table you are pulling out these columns. So if you see, we've already applied an alias to the customers table C, and then we have an alias to the orders table O. So we would go up here and tell it, okay, we want the customer ID coming from customers. And if you see as well in your order by, wherever you've mentioned this column that is shared between the two tables, you have to explicitly tell SQL that I'm referring to the one coming from so and so table. So we go down here again and say, take the one coming from customer. And it's also good practice. Even those columns that are not shared across, it's also good practice to put the aliases. Like if we see first name is coming from the customer table, we can do all that. The order date is coming from the order table. So we say order. And then the total amount is coming from the orders table as well. So we put order as well. And then which other one do we have? I think that's all of it. So if we run now, we shouldn't be getting the ambiguous column name error message. So the query works.